everyone, this is MusicTechHelpGuy, and welcome back to another episode of Free Plugin Weekly. This week I'm checking out the MAX1 Compressor from Beatskills. This is a really simple compressor that's perfect for people who are new to using compression, and it's also a nice, easy compressor to use on all sorts of material, regardless of your skill set or your background knowledge of using compressors. So this is an automatic compressor with intelligent variable release time and compression ratio settings. This basically just means that you don't have to set the release time and you don't have to set the ratio. It does this for you automatically based on the input signal. So the only compressor controls are the threshold, the attack time, and the post gain, which is more typically called the makeup gain in other compressors. So this is great for controlling peaks on your tracks and then adding gain with the post gain knob. And then you can dial in the attack time that works best for your material. The attack time is the amount of time it takes for the compressor to kick in when the signal passes the threshold. And there's 3 meters: an input meter, which is the uncompressed input signal, a gain reduction meter, which shows you how much compression is taking place, and an output meter, which shows you the signal after being compressed. There's also an option for RMS or peak detection. I typically go with RMS detection. And the soft clip option is a soft limit on the signal, and this allows you to push levels higher without clipping the meter on your channel. So I find this particularly helpful when you're trying to level out peaks and control the dynamics on a track. In particular, it works pretty well on vocals, it works well on bass guitar and bass instruments. It also works pretty well on beats and drum loops. You just have to be careful about where the attack time is so that you still get the punch of the transient percussive material coming through it. So let's try this out on a few sources. What I'll do is I will dial in a compression setting for each, and I will bypass the plugin using the built-in bypass button in the plugin so you can hear the before and the after. So first, let's try this out on vocals.
Touch it, so where did you go? Touch it, so where did you go? It's getting late, and you're still not home. Touch it, so where did you go? Touch it, so where did you go? It's getting late, and you're still not home.
Next, let's try this out on bass guitar. Next, I'll try this out on a guitar bus. This is all of the guitars in this session summed down to 1 track stack in Logic. Next, I'll try it out on a drum beat. Alright, so that is the MAX1 compressor from Beat Skills. I'll leave a link to it in the video description below. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more audio and music production tutorials. You can also check me out on social media at the links in the video description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.